navigating together, understanding, in the same boat. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, in the same boat. This expression is not just about sailing or rowing but carries a deeper meaning in conversations. Let's navigate through its origins, meanings, and how you can use it effectively in your daily conversations. In the same boat is an idiomatic expression used to convey that two or more people are in the same situation, usually facing the same challenges or difficulties. It implies a sense of solidarity and shared experience, suggesting that the individuals involved have common interests or problems. The phrase is believed to have nautical origins, dating back to when sea travel was common. Being in the same boat meant that everyone aboard was subject to the same risks, weather conditions, and fate. Over time, this literal meaning evolved into a metaphorical one, used to express shared circumstances or conditions, regardless of the setting. 1. Expressing empathy. When someone shares their troubles with you, saying, "We're in the same boat," can show empathy and understanding. 2. Building team spirit. In a team facing challenges, this phrase can encourage unity and collaboration. 3. Making light of difficult situations. Sometimes, it's used humorously to lighten the mood when everyone is facing a tough time. Examples in sentences. With the recent job cuts, it looks like we're all in the same boat. I understand how you feel about the new policy changes. We're in the same boat here. Don't worry about the tight deadline. We're all in the same boat, and we'll work through this together. While "in the same boat" is widely used, there are other expressions that convey a similar meaning. In the same league indicates having the same level or status. On the same page means sharing the same opinions or understanding about a situation. Understanding and using the phrase, "in the same boat," can enrich your communication, allowing you to express solidarity, empathy, and shared experiences more effectively. We hope this exploration helps you feel more confident in using it in your conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to deepen your understanding of the English language and culture. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful world of English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.